Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel where I review the latest and coolest gadgets. Today, I'm going to show you the Horizon Neo Bone Conduction Earpiece, the best wireless bone conduction headphones in 2023. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. So what are bone conduction headphones? Well, they are headphones that use vibrations to transmit sound to your inner ear through your bones, instead of using air conduction through your eardrums. This means that you can listen to music without blocking your ears or damaging your hearing. You can also hear your surroundings and stay alert to what's happening around you. The Horizon Neo Bone Conduction Earpiece is a wireless device that connects to your smartphone or other Bluetooth devices via Bluetooth 5.3. It has a sleek and ergonomic design that fits snugly around your head and rests on your temples. It comes with a built-in 32GB memory card that can store up to 8,000 songs, so you can use it as an MP3 player without needing your phone. It also has a noise reduction microphone that makes your voice sound crystal clear during calls. The Horizon Neo Bone Conduction Earpiece has a powerful battery that can last up to 6 hours of non-stop playtime on a single charge. It also has an IPX7 waterproof rating, which means it can handle sweat, rain, and even being dumped in water up to 1 meter deep for 30 minutes. This makes it perfect for outdoor activities like running, cycling, hiking, or swimming. The Horizon Neo Bone Conduction Earpiece delivers amazing sound quality with turbo pitch enhanced bass technology. It boosts high-frequency smoothness, cuts down distortion, improves voice clarity, and adds a lot of bass. Plus, it has cutting-edge noise reduction technology that makes your listening experience even better. So, what do you think of the Horizon Neo Bone Conduction Earpiece? I think it's a game-changer for music lovers who want to enjoy their tunes without compromising their hearing health or awareness. If you want to get your own Horizon Neo Bone Conduction Earpiece, you can order it online from their official website. They are currently offering a 50% discount and free shipping worldwide for a limited time only. But hurry up, because this offer won't last long and they are selling like crazy. So don't miss this chance to get the best wireless bone conduction headphones in 2023 at a discounted price and with free shipping worldwide. Just click the link in the description below and order yours today before they run out of stock. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. See you next time.